right, so this is Unit 2, Lesson 5, 2 equations for each relationship. Our learning goal is let's investigate the equations that represent proportional relationships. So we're starting out with a fun kind of little activity here. Here are the second and fourth figures in a pattern. And remember, math is nothing but patterns. And we're being asked to figure out what the first figure would look like and what the third figure would look like. Now this one's kind of hard to see because it's in black and white, but these right here are blue. These bigger blocks are blue and the little ones are yellow. So if I want you to stop the video and see if you can figure it out. Okay, so let's see if you get the same thing I got. So we have two blues. Actually, we have four blues, and this is figure 2. So if I say there are 4 blues here, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yellows. Okay, we know that for sure. Then let's come over here. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8 blues. And 3, 6, 9, 12 yellows. Okay, the way I'm looking at it is if I take this 2 and multiply it by 2, I get the blues. If I take the 2 and multiply it by 3, I get the yellows. Let's see if that holds true over here. 4 times 2 gives me 8, and 4 times 3 gives me 12. Okay, so there's a pattern. So if I go by the same token, this is 3, so I'm going to take this 3, multiply it by 2, that's going to give me 6 blues. And then multiply that 3 by 3, that will give me 9 yellows. Okay, let's go back to figure 1. 1 times 2 is 2 blues. And then I would have 1 times 3, which would give me 3 yellows. So this one would probably look like just the top row. So if I was to draw this, I would have blue and blue here, and then 3 yellows here. And then this one I would have, excuse me, I would have all of this, plus I can put it either on top or on bottom, another set of those. So I would take this and then add to it. Let's see if I can draw this. So this gets cut in half. There's your 2 blues and your 3 yellows. And then this one's going to be 3 yellows and 2 blues. And then I can add another either on top or on bottom. I don't think it really matters. And then this would be yellow, yellow, yellow. All right, and then the fourth one adds that little piece right down there. That's the pattern I saw. So if we follow that same thing, describe the 10th pattern. Well, if 10 times 2 is going to give me 20 blues, and 10 times 3 is going to give me 30 yellows. So there's the pattern that it's following. Kind of neat. All right, so we're going back to that meters and centimeters that we had a table for 2 lessons ago. And we're going to look at that again. This time we're going to write the equation that goes with it and talk about the equations. All right, so remember the COP, we can either make that third column and do y over x, which would be 100 over 1, or wherever x is 1, this is your COP. So I'm going to multiply each row times 100, so that's going to give me 94, because I'm going this way. I'm going to multiply this by 100, and I'm going to get 167. I'm going to multiply this by 100, and I'm going to get 5,000, and my pencil is going to die on me. Okay, hang on a minute. I hate when that happens. I've got more lead in there. Well, I can see the lead, I just can't get it out. All right.